Breaking news tonight. In a shocking escalation in the Middle East, Iran has launched a drone attack targeting Israel. Explosions have ripped through border areas, setting off alarms in nearby cities and prompting emergency responses. This marks a dangerous and overt act of aggression that risks pushing regional tensions to levels we haven't seen in years. Preliminary reports suggest the drones came in waves, some intercepted by Israel's defense systems, others managing to penetrate into key strategic zones. The scale of this attack has left both civilian populations and military analysts stunned. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Vox Planet News, your frontline source for conflict updates, geopolitical analysis, and breaking global stories. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video, because tonight's developments could reshape the balance of power in the Middle East like never before. According to Israeli military sources, Iran deployed multiple drones, some of them armed, crossing into Israel's airspace from the northeast. The attack reportedly focused on military installations near the border, including radar stations and patrol posts. Israel's Iron Dome and other air defense systems scrambled to intercept. Early reports indicate that while many drones were destroyed, a number still breached defenses, causing property damage and triggering power outages in border towns. Civilian areas near the strike zones saw panic, with residents reporting blasts and nearby fires. Hospitals are receiving wounded, though full casualty numbers are still being assessed. Smoke is visible from several towns near the border. Military and regional experts believe this drone attack was not accidental or limited. It was meant to send a message. It underscores Iran's growing drone warfare capabilities, particularly in standoff drone delivery and penetration of high-threat airspace. This move might be intended to test Israel's air defense readiness and reaction protocols. Politically, this attack comes at a sensitive time. Tensions between Iran and Israel have been simmering due to issues over nuclear development, cross-border militia clashes, and perceived influence over proxy groups. This attack could escalate diplomatic pressure, prompt new sanctions, or even invite counterstrikes. Israel has condemned the attack as a breach of sovereignty and law, vowing to respond decisively. Prime Minister's office issued a statement that Israel will hold Iran accountable for every action that threatens our civilians and territory. Internationally, countries are weighing in. Western allies have expressed concern over the attack, calling for de-escalation. The United States affirmed support for Israel's right to self-defense. United Nations officials appealed for calm and urged both sides to respect international law. Arab states are watching closely. Some were calling for mediation, others warning that further escalation could destabilize the wider region. So, what comes next? Israel might carry out retaliatory strikes on Iranian drone or missile launch sites. Intelligence efforts will ramp up. Border security will be increased. There is also concern about escalation to naval or missile warfare. Iran, meanwhile, may continue pushing drone attacks as a tactic of pressure, possibly using proxy groups in Syria or Lebanon to open additional fronts. Analysts warn this could mark the beginning of a broader flare-up. Every country in the region now has to consider how it will respond, both militarily and diplomatically. Tonight's drone attack by Iran is more than just a headline. It's a statement. It's proof that unmanned warfare is now central to how conflicts are waged in this region. The world is watching. The stakes are rising. And the future of peace, always fragile, now seems further away.